Hi, I'm Alice. Many of you already know me from our Savva community Telegram channel, where I've been helping everyone find answers and understand the platform. My friend Alex Na, the creator of the Savva platform, is traveling around the world right now, so he asked me to become the host of this channel. I'm a little nervous, honestly, but let's see how it goes. Now, let's talk about the latest updates from the Savva platform. Savva launched on the Monad blockchain, and I think we all remember that wonderful launch stream. Since then, a lot of the social networks in the Savva ecosystem have decided to add Monad support too. That is a pretty big sign. Monad is not just part of the launch story anymore. It is becoming part of where Savva is going. It is hard to believe that was only 2 months ago. So today, let's take a look at where we are now, what has changed, and what comes next. One of the clearest signs is Paris Camp. It is the flagship social network in the Savva ecosystem and still the most active one. Now, Paris Camp is adding support for Monad. That is not just another technical update. When the leading network makes a move like this, it shows where the whole platform is heading. The transition will take time, but users are already beginning to move in that direction. The Paris Camp community is full of artists, poets, and musicians. It feels like the true bohemia of today's Paris. Here is a little hello from one of the network's most popular authors, Dmitri Makarov, and Paris Camp founder Igor Smirnov.
Autour des poils, un oublieux l'hiver, la bohème, ça vous l'a dire. On a 20 ans, la bohème, ça ne veut plus rien dire de temps.
Now, let's move to the tech update. I asked Alex Na to join us, or at least his digital avatar, because the real Alex Na is still somewhere out there traveling the world. Alex has the latest technical notes from the Savva side. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Alice. Before we get into the tech, I want to thank you for taking over the YouTube channel.
I am happy to help. I like to see you as an avatar. It feels like we are getting closer in a new way. Now let's talk about the Savva news.
The development of the Savva platform never stops. The new releases are published pretty much every week. More people are trying to launch their own Savva networks, and it is great to see that interest growing. For everyone who prefers Docker, we released the official Savva node Docker image. The documentation explains how to start a precompiled node, use the public image, and add a simple configuration file for your network. It is free, it is available today, and launching your own decentralized social network has never been easier. Check the latest Savva article for the full guide on setting up a Docker node. And let me also remind you about our integration with EMPX, the DEX aggregator. Our friends at EMPX not only added full support for the Savva token, they also helped us bring the exchange interface directly into the standard Savva web client. Now that means you can now trade Savva tokens right inside your favorite social network with the best available price across supported exchanges. We also shipped a few useful features for network administrators. As you know, admins can customize their Savva networks, including the logo, colors, categories, and more. There is a special admin page that only they can see. Now it includes a broadcast tool. Admins can send a simple text announcement to every user, and people will see it as a pop-up on the site, or receive it through the Savva Telegram bot. Several network owners asked for this, and it is perfect for public announcements. We also added a backend log viewer. If something goes wrong on the server, an admin can now see the latest log output directly in the web client. Small feature, very useful. That is everything I wanted to mention today. We are constantly working on the platform, so please let us know if you have suggestions or if there is anything you want us to improve.
Thank you, Alex, for the update.
No problem. We keep working every day. Hopefully next time we will talk more about our mobile application.
That is it for our first short video update. Let us know what you think about this new format. See you next time.